Ayan, kabayan, good morning. So, andito tayo ngayon sa The Grand Coral sa Playa Laia. So, ito yung residential. This is almost 130 hectares. So, by now, good news, meron pa tayong 19 beachside lots. So, mga 10 to 15 minutes walk from here o dun sa beach. Ayan. Okay, so I'll tour you around. I'm using, meron siyang extender, monopod and extender. Okay, so from the parking, so dito ako nag-park. Ayan. Okay, so by now, okay, yan na. Andito na tayo sa may boardwalk. So puntahan din natin yan. Umpisahan lang natin dito. So you'll notice, ito yung design ni Ben Solido Architect. So they call it the Grand Coral. Kasi yung design inspiration niya ay from a table coral. Ayan, adjust ko lang yung height ng ating monopod. So later, extend ko to. So yon, nakikita nyo natin, ito yung mga kanya mga cabanas. So in line with sa design pa rin. So the architect Ben Salido is really proud of the design. So yun, you can check out yung yung na-post na ginamit ko. So from here, ayan, ito yung kanyang grand function room. So this is higher ceiling. This is highest ceiling. So ganda grand, and of course the infinity pool. Ito yon, the Grand Coral. Look at that. Ito yung tinatag natin the $1 million shot. So by now, it's around 5 o'clock p.m., no? So tamang-tama sunset. Okay, so that is west. Ito, yan. West yan. Tapos ito yung east side. So, nasa south. Ayan. So fronting tayo ng Mindoro. Okay? Diba? O, tataas ko na. Ayan. Nakita niya? So, tingnan natin. Tama-tama yun. So, yan yung ating The Grand Coral Clubhouse. So, ito yung nasa sentro. This is really the centerpiece of this Playa Laia. Okay, nakita nyo, by now, siguro napapansin yung boardwalk dyan, no? Di ba, kabayan? So, this is almost 3-section pool, no? Or 2-section pool lang. Tapos ito yung siguro pang kiddie pool to. So, yun, nakikita nyo yan, yung mga design natin na modern Asian tropical. So this one used to be a restaurant, The Reef. Okay. So ito yung sa kabilang side. Tapos nandiyan din may parking slot din yan. Perfect talaga to sa celebration ng mga special occasions natin. So, cabanas, outdoor scene, clinic, bathhouse. Ito, yung kanyang directory. Signage. Okay. Wow! Imagine nyo naman yan. May swing, di ba? Swing. Tapos nakaharap ka sa dagat, no? Yung bay, no? Sigayan Bay. Of course, no? Hindi tayo pwedeng dumaan sa path, so we have to use this path. Ayan, pabalik tayo doon. Yan, that is the west side. So, andyan yung Mount Daguldol and Mount Hugom. Ganda rin ang effect niyan. Yan, ito yung kanyang infinity pool. Ang ganda pagkaputi niya, no? Tapos, look at that. Tapos, ang kanyang backdrop, yung the blue skies, no? And I'm wearing a blue shades. So, yeah, kabayan, perfect talaga to, itong sa inyo. And of course, no, open siya sa bank financing, ha? Especially kahit na nandiyan ka sa US, meron tayong mga banks institution na partner. And of course, yung payment natin, napakadali na lang, okay? Meron tayong tinatawag na mga, Bayani Pay or yung mga Acquire Pay, mga financial tech company na you can just download the apps tapos yun na. Okay, sige. Daan tayo dito. Okay, one last look from here. Elevate natin. Ayan. So, yeah, that is the north side. North to west. Ito to, north to east side. Ayan. Yan yung east is the morning sun. Okay. So, dito tayo. Number 8. Ito yung kabayan. Ito yung mga cabanas natin. So, yes, once you are lot owner na, kahit wala ka pang bahay dito, yeah, you can use this, no, together with yung mga guests mo, relatives na gusto nila experience itong property mo sa Grand Coral. And if they need a place to stay, marami naman dito eh. And of course, syempre, andun yung Club Laia natin. Again, this is a 1 kilometer na boardwalk, beachfront. Look at, ang ganda, no? Even yung, no, kanyo pedestrian niya, oh, di ba? Naka-design siya ng piano. Okay, so grabe, Sun Island, no? Imagine yung mga, kaya ito ang bilis eh. Yung last 4 years na, ang bilis talaga. Ang ganda ng sales take-up dito. Eh, lalo na. Okay, and ito yung boardwalk natin. And that is a beach volleyball. Oh, di ba? So, mataas to. It's around 7 feet. Mas mataas eh. Mas mataas sa akin eh. So, ito yung kanyang seawall, no? As a protection from surge, of course. Sa property line natin. Para maayos, no? And yun na nga, no, you will notice may mga natira pa mga mangrove, no? It used to be talaga dominantly may mangrove siya. Oh, di ba? Kumiyate. Ay, this is the beach life. Ito talaga yung, ito talaga hinahanap natin. That is the reason may kabayan. Di ba tinitiis mo yung lamig? May been there, no? Earning dollars. Because of this. Congratulations talaga. Perfect. So again, yung property mo doon, no? Doon yun. Doon siya. Doon nakalagay doon siya sa nakapwesto. So that is facing north property. North siya, facing north, and that is just 8 to 10 minutes walk to the beach, and here 10 to 15 minutes sa Grand Clubhouse. Ayan. Oh, okay. So from the east going to west tayo. And yung east side. O, syempre yung circle, wala na ako doon. So, makikita mo, ang ganda rin, eh, no? Buti naka-dual vision tayo. Ayan! So, that is the west side. And of course, the Grand Coral na may infinity pool. Okay, again, kabayan, katulad na lagi mong ginagawa, thank you. And you can send this video to your mga pwede mo i-refer sa akin. And congratulations, this is really perfect. And more, no? More to come. And sabi nga, no? Grab yung opportunity talaga. Perfect na perfect to. Salamat!